All right, guys, we're here with our 2024 Spring Do Work Giveaway winner, Ryan Thorman. We just left the office, pulled away with his brand new dump trailer, and so we want to follow up and get a little insight into what's going on in your life. Like the other day on that initial phone call, you dropped a little nugget there that I want to follow up on. You had said,
"Oh my God! After the week I've had, I'm like, whoo,
that's
awesome, amazing."
Yes, sir. Can you tell us a little about that call and what that meant?
Yeah, so the day before you called me, I decided that I was gonna quit my job and go out on my own. And so you called me the next day and gave me a blessing. You know, this really is gonna make a big difference in how I operate my business. The amount of money that I'm gonna have to initially put into my business. This is a huge asset to have. It's really going to make a huge difference for me.
That's awesome. What kind of business are you starting?
So basically, it's a majority of it is going to be land clearing, land management. We do chemical applications, but we also have a commercial side where we do exteriors, parking lot services, graffiti removal, anything you can think of like that.
That's very cool. Man, if you watch or if you listen much about our story and our core values, nothing hits home like this story when it comes to like the love strong core value of just, you know, him winning this and being able to grow his business, and it fuels the growth and success of our customer, which is in this case Ryan. And so cool. So you got the first look at it when we were in the office back a little bit ago.
Yes.
Give us some insights. You know, what do you think about the trailer? Kind of what options or features do you think will mean the most to you in the work you're going to do?
Well, the first thing you notice from any other trailer that I've operated or that I've seen on the way here is the quality of the build. Going down the road, you can tell a Diamond C versus any other trailer, but the features that really, stepped out to me were you got the fork pockets on the side, so you don't have to haul different trailers, different machines. It's one shot, one kill. And then over here, this box is bigger than anything I've ever seen. So instead of having your chains and binders rusting in the back of the trailer, you can put it all right here. You could even put extra fluids in here or anything like that. And then on top of the lid, we could tie down a generator, water cooler, anything, you name it. So it's very versatile, and that's what we're looking for, especially with my business, is the amount of capability that this trailer has. We don't have multiple trailers on job sites. We don't have multiple people driving trailers. And then the quality, we don't have downtime. Downtime is the biggest killer in business. You know that as well as I do.
Yes, sir.
And I feel with Diamond C, we won't have any issues like that.
Yep. Man, that's awesome. Yeah, it's one of those things. I mean, if you can make the trailer be as efficient as possible whenever you're starting up a business and you're in that kind of growth phase, that initial growth phase, you need your equipment, your investments to be, again, as efficient as possible, right?
Definitely,
so,
definitely.
Cool.
I'm Ryan Thorman, and I'm the winner of the 2024 Spring Do Work Giveaway.